Hello, welcome to VW Life, and today we're in front of a storage unit.
We are in front of a storage unit. Matt Jackson, you of all people have, well, here we are again.
Yeah, another day, another Volkswagen.
Yeah. So this is supposedly behind this door. I feel like Monty Hall.
What door do you want? 3. Door number 3.
Door number 1, door number 2, or door number 277. And today it's door number 277. What's in here?
Let's see.
I'm excited. Come with us. That there's a Beetle, Clark.
Yeah, we've got a 63.
63 Beetle. Look at that. Well, it smells like a Volkswagen. Too bad y'all can't smell it, because I mean, you need to put smell-o-vision on the VW Life. Oh my God.
All right, well,
I love that smell.
A viewer contacted us, and he said, "Hey, I've got a Volkswagen. He's moving. It's for sale," and we came over and we sealed the deal.
Yes, and it's a very dry 63. It's a little dusty. It's not a barn find. It's a storage find.
Yeah, it's been here. It's been parked about 20 years.
All right. Got an alternator running on it. Nice. Oil bath still there. Running 009. It's a 40 horse. Dirty 28 pick. Man, a 40 horse. So what I love about 40s, these things, you just can't kill them, you know? So this is exciting.
Yeah, it runs, he says. We'll have to throw a battery in it.
Yeah, we'll see if we can get it going. Oh, I love 40s. So cool. This is really nice. Holy moly, I think it was Turkish.
Yes.
Wow.
There's Turkish under it. If you want to get in close, we can show them.
Yeah, look at here. This is definitely Turkish.
Underneath there.
Yeah. So we get Matt Jackson out here with a razor blade.
Well,
before you know it.
We think the front end, there might have been a minor wreck, and I
so
think that's why they sprayed it. But if we wanted to start scraping away.
I like it.
Yeah, look, there's a little rodent.
Yeah, it definitely has rodent footprints. Yeah. It looks like it's dropped. I can't tell. Is it dropped a little bit, or is it just because it's flat?
Yes, it's dropped. He took out a couple of the spring plates. So they're right here.
Okay.
Hey ladies, it's time to work. There's no come along in there either, is it?
Actually, Matt Jackson, you just come over here and hook park your bus right here. We can run the winch off of that and go.
You don't have the
off
winch
your
with
battery.
you, do you?
Oh, there's jumper cables.
Do you have the winch
too.
with you?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. So the brakes are stuck, and we don't have a battery for the winch.
Yeah.
So we're just going to run it off Helga.
So Jake really did that.
Good job, Jake. How's this going there?
Some
Holes in there?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, there you go. That's it.
Cool. Does it go all the way out? It should. Oh, it's all twisted in there. That was a big step. You gotta eyelet it. Just tie it to itself down there. Tension on it so the chain don't come loose.
All right, so we've got one chain around the beam down there, and then we're gonna hook up the battery off Helga over here.
That's good. Star Helga.
Clear.
Yep, clear.
Wheel okay?
You're good on this side. You're right in the center. I can move it this way.
Oh yeah, yeah, it's way too hard.
Yeah, we did this last time. It just.
That works perfect.
Yeah, a little extra juice.
Alright, that goes back in there.
It's absolutely perfect.
Shut this up. Get that thing out of there.
Anything like okay. Sure you don't. Oh look.
Where are we gonna go?
That we leave blank.
And we need to get the truck top on top of Helga. Truck topper.
Start popping kids in the finger. So loud. Hey, can you make some more noise over there? Here.
Oh, look at that rack.
Give me the sign.
I got like this.
Oh, this is awesome.
That's not too heavy.
It's going on high. Oh, Jack. Yeah.
Look at those guys.
I don't know.
Oh yeah.
You got it? Ready?
Eins, zwei, drei.
I thought that was from Vietnam.
Okay, set it down, Matt. Set it down. All right. Yeah. Lift.
Hold on.
Hold on, Matt.
I'm on the outside here.
Yeah, we're on outside on this side, but that's fine.
That's fine.
All right, we got it strapped down. I don't think it's going anywhere. Seems pretty solid. So I've got the camera level. She's on an incline.
That's crazy. Yeah, we're dripping some gas.
Look at that, guys. A 63. That is a clean car right there. Oh man, so stoked. This is gonna be awesome. Hey, look, a Beetle. Check it out, there's a Beetle right there. Check it out. I think that's a sign. So we're gonna get her off the trailer and onto the driveway. VW Life. Look at that.
You ready?
I'm not doing anything.
Oh God, this thing's heavy. All right, I think we're good. Let it go. Keep going. It's gotta go slow. Don't stop it. Just let it go. As long as your front wheel's straight. You're good. Keep going. Let it rip. Do it. Ah, you killed it.
You
What happened?
Oh.
The tires are dragging. That's why I said just let it go.
Oh.
Don't stop it. Here,
You're clear. Just let it go. Woo!
yeah, but one of the drums is seized, so.
Yeah.
And this tire's flat.
She's gonna need some brakes.
All right, buddy. Camera time's over. You need to push.
All right, here we go. How's it drive, Gary?
Oh, she's a real beaut.
Here we go.
Here we go. We're headed over there.
Oh, God.
Push, Matt Jackson. Mush.
Don't hit. Hi ho.
All right. I can't see. Somebody needs to clean the windshield. It feels like I got 4 flats.
All right, turn to the right. Don't hit the bus.
Oh, I got it. No, that's not good.
No?
No, it needs. I'll hit it with.
Push.
Right there.
Oh, it's fine.
We got it home.
It's all sprayed.
Look at that.
in. It was
What
holding-
a car.
holding up over
This
there.
is so cool. Oh, look at my Harbor Freight lights coming in clutch right there.
I mean, you can wire them straight to the car. Once you put it in reverse, it should turn on.
All right, we're gonna leave the trailer handy because tomorrow Martin's got a little adventure. He's gonna go buy a high top for his bus, and they're gonna take the trailer.
Cut it.
And we're gonna need some more stickers, Martin.
Yep.
How many are we behind now? 3 or 4? We're 4 behind. We need to add.
Well, he doesn't get a high top on there now.
Yeah, but there needs to be a
You get you get
Porsche.
another Beetle, though. A Beetle, a Porsche. You're close enough right there.
Yeah.
All right, what are we gonna put this thing?
Just over here. It's there.
Okay, come on,
Just slide it. Go slow.
come on.
Just keep a hand on it. We're gonna let it down.
All right.
Oh, it slides on those rails. Look, just slide. Let it
Yeah,
slide
we
on.
can. Make sure we get.
Yeah.
God, it just stopped playing. Hold up. I got it. Okay. Yeah, because it started going back on me.
I know.
I was holding it with.
Now what we got?
I got it. Dude, you got yours?
Cali. Matching Cali plates. Fender welting. Oh, what do we have here? It's all heavy. Cigarette lighter.
There may be pull handle somewhere.
Oh yeah.
Get 30 pick 1 Solex.
Yeah, but
It's a
that's
boat car though.
that's-
Two
I
coils.
got a chrome coil.
No, it's a blue coil with a sleeve on it.
Yeah. Ah, guess what? Oh, look at this.
Chrome will get you home.
Woo, yeah, baby.
Regulator.
Brand new. Wow. Well, Matt Jackson, bearded wonder.
Yeah.
What are we leaning on here?
Another-
Oh, now we're all dirty because this
Another
thing's a barn.
car.
All right, so we're leaning up against this little 63 we just picked up. That's the thing about VW Life. It's like when action calls, action gets done.
Right.
So Matt Jackson, let's kind of retell the story. How did we get to this point right here?
We had a local person. He left a comment on one of our videos saying, "I've got a Beetle I want to sell." I'm like, "Email us." And then we called him up that day, and we went down there that day. And
That
we
day
made
being
the deal.
yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away, and now I have another Volkswagen.
Right. As soon as one's gone,
Literally,
This one-
HB20 left 2 days ago, and now this one's here, and they were the same color. So it's kind of like, but we traded a 67 for a 63. This is going to be a definite roadsteration.
yeah, we'll probably put at least 2 weekends into it. We'll be doing brakes. We're gonna pull the motor, reseal the motor, paint the tins, and spiff it up.
Spiff it up.
Tires, wheels.
It is-
Tires, at least, not wheels.
So I mean, we always talk about it being a roadsteration. This is a roadsteration. We're putting this thing on the road. We're not. It's not going to like no bells and whistles. It's going to be a very solid runner. You can get it and go. It's a California car. It's dry. It's been in storage for how long?
20 years.
20 years it's been sitting in storage. You know, I mean, that's one thing I told the PO. I told him, I said, man, you know, you did a service to this car by keeping it inside.
Right.
So we're appreciative of that for sure. So make sure you like and subscribe and do all that stuff. But make sure you buy some stuff off the site. We appreciate that very much. We're going to be a fun build on this. We're looking forward to it. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life because, hey, VW community, this is what it's all about. Follow every lead.
Yeah.
And you never know, you may end up with a 63 sitting where a 67 was 2 days earlier.
See you guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye, everybody.